Welcome, little ones, to the playground of super cool excavators. Today, we'll discover what these cool machines can do. This is Yellow Yellow, a really strong and energetic excavator. Yellow Yellow loves to help people build beautiful houses. Oh, Yellow Yellow has found its friends. Let's say hello to them. Hello, Green Leaf. Green Leaf is a very gentle and hardworking excavator. Green Leaf is very good at digging, helping to make the roads wider. Hi, Blue Blue. Blue Blue is a very lively excavator, always cheerful. Blue Blue is often assigned to level the land, making empty spaces smoother. Hello, Red Red. Red Red is a very powerful excavator, always ready to help people. Red Red is very good at digging roads, helping cars move easily. And finally, the Dark Yellow. The Dark Yellow is a very professional vehicle. The Dark Yellow is often assigned to shovel sand and soil, helping to build large projects. Little ones, the excavators are wonderful, aren't they? Let's learn about their jobs. And remember, always help those around you. Thank you for joining the adventure with the excavators. Have a fun day. See you in the next video.